welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to remove our deleted files from recycle bin in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. After we delete our file, they are kept on our device for a couple of days. So to permanently remove them, we have to go to the My Files application right here. At the bottom we have recycle bin, and here we have our removed photos. They will be here for 30 days, and then they will be automatically deleted. But we can do it faster. We can just tap them once, select the files we want to remove or restore. Let's delete them all. Yes. And now our photos, movies, files are permanently deleted and won't be delayed for 30 days. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.